Today I am reviewing Bosch Universal Plus Stand Mixer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Bosch Universal Plus Stand Mixer with Blender Bundle by Nutrimil is one of those kitchen appliances that truly sets itself apart from the competition. At first glance, it may look like a compact mixer, but the moment you start using it, you realize just how powerful and versatile it is. With a robust 500-watt motor and a clever belt-driven transmission system, this stand mixer has the torque to handle everything from the lightest whipping tasks to the heaviest bread doughs. It's designed to make your kitchen prep easier, faster, and far more efficient. One of the standout features of this mixer is the 6.5 quart BPA-free plastic bowl. It's large enough to handle very big batches, whether that means kneading dough for up to 14 loaves of bread at once, or mixing as many as 34 dozen cookies in one go. Despite its size, the bowl is lightweight, easy to grip, and dishwasher-safe. The removable drive shaft makes cleaning even more convenient, which is something anyone who bakes regularly will greatly appreciate. With its bottom drive design, it's easy to add ingredients as you go without having to wrestle with overhead attachments or awkward spaces. Performance-wise, the Bosch Universal Plus shines with its dual beaters that provide a unique triple whipping action. This means you can whip as little as a single egg white or cream with precision, but also tackle tougher jobs like mashing 10 pounds of potatoes or shredding cooked chicken. The included wire whips, dough hook, and the Nutrimil dough hook extender all add to its versatility, giving you the tools you need for almost any type of recipe. From delicate meringues to hearty bread dough, this mixer really can do it all. Another big plus with this bundle is the included blender attachment. It connects seamlessly and lets you expand the functionality of the mixer beyond baking. Whether you're blending smoothies, pureeing soups, or making sauces, the blender performs with the same level of power and consistency as the mixer itself. It's essentially like getting two powerful appliances in one, which makes the Bosch Universal Plus an excellent value. Durability is another key factor here. The mixer has anti-skid feet that keep it firmly in place during use, even when you're working with heavy doughs. Its push-button adjustable speed control makes it simple to switch between settings and ensures that you can always get the texture you want. With 4 distinct speeds, you can start slow to mix ingredients gently and then increase power when it's time to knead or whip. What really sets this product apart, however, is how expandable it is. Bosch and Nutrimil have designed a range of optional attachments that turn the Universal Plus into a complete kitchen machine. You can add slicers, shredders, cookie paddles, pasta makers, meat grinders, and citrus juicers, just to name a few. This means the mixer doesn't just replace a hand mixer or a stand mixer. It can gradually replace multiple small appliances in your kitchen, saving you both space and money in the long run. The build quality is excellent, and the fact that it's backed by Nutrimil, a trusted brand in kitchen appliances, means you're getting a product that's designed to last. Many users report that these mixers can easily serve a household for years, even with daily use. The design also ensures safety and stability, while still being lightweight and easy to move when needed. Overall, the Bosch Universal Plus Stand Mixer with Blender Bundle is a high-performance, multifunctional, and durable choice for anyone who spends a lot of time in the kitchen. Whether you're a passionate home baker, a cook who loves making everything from scratch, or someone who simply wants a reliable, long-lasting mixer and blender combo, this product delivers. With its large capacity, powerful motor, easy cleanup, and endless expandability, it's a kitchen investment that pays off with every use.